a splash of color, understanding, a touch of color. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a vibrant and expressive phrase, a touch of color. This phrase is not just about painting or art. It's a metaphor used in various contexts. So, let's dive in and add a bit of color to our English learning journey. A touch of color refers to adding a small but significant amount of color to something. This phrase is often used metaphorically to suggest adding a bit of excitement, interest, or variety to a situation, conversation, or even life itself. It's about making something more appealing or lively with just a small addition. You might hear a touch of color in different scenarios. For example, in fashion, someone might add a bright scarf to an outfit for a touch of color. In conversation, a humorous remark can be a touch of color in a serious discussion. In storytelling, a surprise plot twist adds a touch of color to a narrative. Metaphorically, this phrase is quite versatile. It implies that even small changes or additions can have a significant impact. It's often used to suggest that something dull or monotonous could be improved with just a little bit of diversity or excitement. Let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. The room was quite plain, so she added a vase of flowers for a touch of color. His jokes always bring a touch of color to our meetings. I hope this explanation adds a touch of color to your English learning. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about expressing ideas, emotions, and much more. Keep practicing, and don't forget to add your own touch of color to the language you're learning. See you in the next video.